Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to do the app installation speed test comparison between the UFS storage 3.1 versus UFS storage 2.2. So right now I'm downloading the game in the Play Store. Right now you can see. So once after the download has been finished, I'm going to start the stopwatch between the both phones, and then let's find out how much difference it's gonna be there in terms of the app installation speeds. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this real time. So I do have the two stopwatch ready. So once the download has been completed, I'm going to click on the stopwatch. In this way, we'll be able to get to know exactly how much times it actually takes to install. So right now, as you can see, 100% has been started. So right now, it's showing at 100%. Now this also reached at 100% exactly. So let's find out, guys. So right now you can see both phones. So UFS storage 3.1 from the Realme P4X, and this from the Moto G57 Power with the UFS storage 2.2. So let's compare how much time it actually takes to complete setup this game, and how long it will take to display the play option as well. That's what I'm going to demonstrate. Right now it's kind of installing at 38 seconds. It took time. So installing, let me to start. So it took about like 4 seconds of time to install the game. So let's try to see here how much more time this Moto G57 Power gonna take. So once I see the installing option, only then I'll try to click, and then we'll try to see how much time it actually takes to install. So right now it said installing, and we got play option. So you can see the time difference regarding the both devices. This from the UFS storage 2.2, how much time it has been taken, and this from the UFS storage 3.1. So all the app installation speed test, also you did see lively what's happening between the both phones. So the download speeds sometimes can be vary, but the app installation speeds I thought of showing you guys in this video. So from the moment it said like installing to complete setup this game, it took 4 seconds in this device, and whereas in this phone it took about close to 8 seconds of time. So this actual difference will be there in the real life also. When you try to install any application between the both phones, the difference will be kind of slightly double you can expect with the UFS storage 3.1 versus UFS storage 2.2. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.